How to set up Eufy Doorbell Chime. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Eufy Doorbell Chime. So to be able to do that, first go ahead and do the hardware setup, such as plugging in the USB dongle. So insert the USB dongle into your Eufy home base. This dongle enables communication between the doorbell and the chime. And then power the chime. Assemble the chime's power adapter and plug it into a wall outlet. Wait until the LED turns solid blue, indicating it's ready. After that, you can proceed with the app configuration. So first, go ahead and open the Eufy security app on your smartphone, and then go to the doorbell settings. So tap on your 2K battery doorbell device, and then select indoor chime from the settings menu, and then choose your chime type. Select the Eufy doorbell chime from the list, and then sync the chime. So press and hold the sync button on the chime for about 2 seconds until you hear a ding. In the app, tap the heard ding to confirm the chime is responding. Now test the setup. Press the doorbell button to ensure the chime rings. If it does, tap done in the app to complete the setup. And that is how you can basically set up Eufy Doorbell Chime.